Installing my new AIO CPU cooler, part 2. It's finally time to put it in the PC. First we gotta warm up the CPU for a couple minutes, then shut the PC down. Power supply off, take the front panel off, and now let's get the old CPU cooler out of there. This is nasty, by the way. Unscrew this, and gently pull the cooler off the CPU. Now let's get the radiator in. Instead of using the fans that came with the AIO, I'm just gonna use my own fans because they're already cable managed. But we have to unscrew them first to put the radiator on anyway. Okay, now place the radiator in. Screw these fans back on. Almost done. Once we're all done with that, we can put this front frame back in. Okay, so the radiator part of the AIO is finished. Now all we have to do is install the CPU block onto the CPU in part 3 coming soon.